I'm Joe from the Center for Arkansas Farms and Food, and today I'm going to show you how to start and operate our Kubota L245H. The first thing that we'll do is turn on the fuel. We're going to turn it 360 times 2. Now that the fuel is turned on, we can climb up onto the tractor and start it up. To start the tractor, we're going to press the brake and the clutch in. We're going to set the low, neutral, high gear range into neutral. We're going to set the gear selector into neutral as well. We're going to apply just a little bit of throttle. We're going to turn the key to the on position, so that'll be the first switch position. And then we're going to turn counterclockwise to preheat the combustion chamber a little bit. I like to preheat it for 30 to 60 seconds if the tractor is just getting started for the first time that day. After 30 to 60 seconds, turn it clockwise to start. Now that we have the tractor started, I'd like to allow the tractor to warm up for a couple minutes if it's the first I've started it for the day. You know the tractor is warmed up when you no longer see any white smoke coming out of the exhaust stack. To raise and lower the 3-point hitch, we have a lever right here. So down to put it down, and up to pick it up. You want to be careful though that you don't take the 3-point hitch lever and pull it all the way out. You'll actually cause the hydraulic pump to be constantly engaged, and we don't want that. So you bring it most of the way up. Now to adjust the mid-mount cultivator, we have a hydraulic lever right here, and down to go down, and up to come up. And you can see it's very quick and responsive. Now before we drive this tractor, you'll notice I don't have a seatbelt on. There's no ROPS for this tractor, so no seatbelt is required. Right, now to drive this tractor, we're going to put the range lever up into low or into high, depending on how fast you want to go. So let's start with low, and then we're going to take the gear selector and we're going to put it into gear. So in this case, we're going to go down into second gear, and we're going to leave that lever alone. Now I can release the brake, and I can release the clutch. And now if I want to go a little faster, I can adjust and give it some throttle by hand. Or I can use my right foot to give it throttle on the floor. Now let's back up the tractor. I'm going to put the low range. I'm going to go into reverse gear. Now let's go into high range. We'll use 5th gear. And finally, we can shift our gears up as we go without coming to a complete stop. We can't do that with our range, but we can do it with our gears. So I'm going to put my range into high gear. I'm going to shift into 5th gear while I'm stopped. I'm going to get the tractor going, and then I'm going to shift into 6th gear on the fly. So now I'm going in 5th gear. I'm going to clutch, shift, and release the clutch. Now that we're done operating for the tractor today, I'm going to idle the tractor down. I'm going to take it out of gear, put it in neutral. I'm going to put the range into neutral as well. I'm gonna let the tractor cool down for a minute or two. Then to shut it down, I'm gonna turn the key to the off position, and I'm gonna grab this little stop engine lever and push it up.